Hey guys, it's Renenda here. So quick and honest review on these ZEVRTON steel toe work boots. And these boots are very great quality. Like they are very sturdy. So this will be great for any kind of heavy duty work to protect your feet. You can use these like for industrial work and construction. These are waterproof and they're also safety boots. So they have a non-slip technology. And what I was the most impressed about is that were super comfortable to wear and surprisingly lightweight. So these are not going to be heavy on your feet. I also was very impressed that they overall looked really cute. I mean, they are a work shoe, but they don't look like ugly. They're very cute and very high quality and super resistant. And after trying them out and standing for like a long period of time, they were not tiring on my feet because they have very well support system and the sole is also super comfortable. And the insole was overall very soft and very comfortable to use. And these boots are bent in the front 1/4, and these just makes it super more comfortable to walk in. And these are also anti-smashing and anti-piercing, so it is best to wear them for work. And these are just overall great quality work boots if you're looking for a cute pair of shoes but also resistible for any kind of heavy duty work. I would totally recommend these boots. I really like them, and I'm going to be using them when I have to go to the construction in my job. So definitely check them out, and if you're looking for something like this, definitely recommend.